I want to talk to you a little bit about the fact that you don't have to own where you live. What do I mean by that? If you look at a lot of the wealthy people in this world, you'll come to learn that not all of them actually own the property that they live in. What they do though is that they invest the rest of their savings, their capital, their income, but they don't mind renting where they actually live. Why? Because they've come to understand, and I hope you get value out of this as well, that your principal residence, the home that you live in, is actually a liability. It's not an asset. See, a liability is when something goes out in your pocket every single month. So when you own a home, especially where you live, you have a mortgage payment, you have property tax, you have maintenance fees, condo fees if it's a condo, then you have all the utilities, then you have the upkeep of the home or the condo. And so it's actually a liability. Now, if you're renting where you live, you have to make sure, in my opinion, that you invest the rest of your money. Have someone else pay all of those monthly obligations. That's how you're going to create long-term wealth. And so if you can own, like there's also nothing wrong with owning where you live. I just don't want you to get caught up in all the hype. Look, I'm a real estate broker. I have a vested interest if you actually buy more properties, right? And you'll hear a lot of people in the industry, you don't pay rent, you have to own where you live. Again, in my opinion, just from the people that I've studied over the last 25 years, well, they don't. The uber wealthy, the uber rich, they don't. So why don't you just reverse engineer what somebody's already done very, very well? So strongly consider renting where you live so you don't have to pay all those upkeep costs, condo fees, property tax, and closing costs as well. And then just make sure though, if you don't do the second part, then forget everything that I just mentioned in this video. The second part being that you have to invest the money. And I do think that real estate is one of the best investments you can make ever. But the best investment, in my opinion, is investing in yourself. Drop me your 2 cents. I really want to hear them. Drop them in the comments. And if this was really valuable, do me a favor and share it.